This video will show you some helpful tips and tricks for using tabs in Google Chrome. While teaching online, you probably have several tabs open all day. It's easy to get lost in all of your tabs and accidentally close one that you didn't want to close. In order to prevent yourself from being able to accidentally close a tab, if you right-click on your tab at the top, you can choose Pin. You'll notice now that your tab has become very small and you just see the icon. It also doesn't have the X anymore visible, so you won't accidentally close it. It'll always be here for you if you need it. If you do need to close it, you can right-click on it again. You can either unpin or you can just close right from here. You can also create groups. If you right-click on the tab, you can say Add Tab to New Group. You can color code it, and so if I'm working with lots of different graphics and things that I'm using to create my graphics, I can drag and drop more tabs into this group. This just helps color code and makes it easier for me to see very quickly which tabs are which. So I could add this one to a new group, and I could just call this YCSD and make this blue. And so from here, I can add Aspen in, and I know that these are my York County specific websites. Hopefully this will help you as you are navigating all of your tabs. You also may have lots of bookmarks. You know that if you just click on the little star in Google Chrome, you can add a website to your bookmark bar. You can also create folders on your bookmark bar. So for example, these are my daily bookmarks. These are websites that I use every day. If I want to start my day, I can right-click on this folder and say Open All, and both of those websites will open for me all at once. So if you have several bookmarks that you use every day and you start your morning by opening them up, I would tell you to consider putting them into a folder so that you can access them quickly each morning. In order to add a folder, simply right-click and say Add Folder. You want to keep it on your bookmark bar so it's close by, and you could call this whatever folder name you need it to be, and from here you can simply just drag and drop your bookmarks into the folder. If you have more questions about using Google Chrome and the tips and tricks provided here on using tabs and bookmarks, please reach out to your building IIC.